What about the song where they call Victorious? I like that song there.
Victorious, a big song. That was big song that I'm the last single that me release.
I notice.
A week and so ago, almost 2 weeks. So Victorious really come about when me looking at the music and me I say, Jano, it's a lot of fights still in but we can't give up same way.
Tell you say a moment prayer keep me alive.
Me nah stop trying until me get that flying. Me nah stop trying. You want me satisfied.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless and love and greatness, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lion. Let's speak up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV, you know the man of peace. We say give thanks to life, health and strength, give thanks to another day. Yes, I mean how pleasant it is to wake up in the morning and hear the birds them singing. Don't know if you can hear the birds them in the background, but right now the birds them are singing. I'm on my way to work, 5 a.m. in the morning. But I just want to shed some highlight on the artist named Trapycal. See? Yes, I discovered him yesterday and on the spot news media, interviewed him, and that's how I know about him. You know what I mean? And I went and did my research and she said, the artist I do good music, man. But it's frustrating at times, as he stated this in the interview. You know what I mean? You can go on the spot news media, go listen to the interview. But I took out a little piece. Yeah. You know, sometimes it can be frustrating. You know, you're not getting the support for your friends and families around you, close one around you. See? Yes, so I'm going to interview, review piece I'm song, the latest song, Victory. That's what I say, but only can go check him out and give him the support also. See, they know we have to share the joy and the love. That's what I say, my viewers and subscribers. And big up all of my fans on the platform. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. See, at the man of peace, thank you all for your continuous support. So stay tuned until the end and I don't know, go check out the artist and give him the support. See, blessed love.
What about the song where they call Victorious? I like that song there.
Victorious, a big song. That was big song that I'm the last single that me release.
I notice.
A week and so ago, almost 2 weeks. So Victorious really come about when me looking at the music and me I say, Jano, it's a lot of fights still in but we can't give up same way. You know what I mean? Songs now play on the radio. You know what I mean? Basically, who they around you sometimes not even support the music. As I say, we not sing no jump up on no hand that girl and gun lyrics and them thing there. You know what I mean? So we get less share still, but friend them not support, call it so-called friend them not support it. You know what I mean? Family, some of them not support the music. But in myself, I know me win. You understand? In myself, I know me win because I change a lot of people. Bad mindset, where them probably them are think for do bad things, and when them go to a mates or one Chapycal song, them can say, oh, the youth, you know, so youth are all a mates. So really and truly that basically Victorious come from that type of mates, you know.
So basically,
big song.
So basically, back some sort of morality back in a dancehall, because right now as we see it, immorality has sell everything we right turn wrong, and everything we wrong seem to be right.
Yes, big up yourself, Trapycal. Victory is near, man. Victory is a must. Believe in the confidence of the victory of good over evil. See? Yes, my people. So, yeah, the artist I say sometimes you get frustrated, you know? Get a whole heap of fight, song now play on the radio. You know what I mean? Friends and families close to him, around him now, support him. And, you know, it can be because as someone feel more time, you know? And music is very stressing and depressing, you know? Whereas if you know, say, you can deliver, you got the talent within yourself, you just need that opportunity. But all we can say to Trapycal, go and do your thing, bro, see where you stay focused and conscious. And I love the part where you say, your music can change people, because no people are they go do wrong and badness, and them can listen to your song and has been changed, you know, change them ways and their mindset. So that's a good look. You see it? Yeah, man, enough time I test the water to and do some girl song, slack song and them thing, then the forward I get, no normal. Like the forward I get from the conscious songs and with the message. You see me? Yeah, so I test the water enough time and know so negativity sell more than positivity. You see me? But if you just stay real and true, you know, and just know say God on time, is it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So we're gonna run through a piece of the video now, Victory, and then you don't know. Big up on yourself. Remember to go and support the artist.
When the dark days and night them arrive, them want me overturn when me
Yes, I love the intro, I love the delivery and the message. When the darkest days and night arrive, them want him overturn when him a drive. Then when him out to fight him, get the trap them set and fight him get, you know, him still I get the victory. I love the intro, bad melodic.
I'm out to fight, man, get shed tears, no sweat. Them find me hard fear, still I get the victory.
Why Trapycal come like a me, you do that song here for? You see me? The amount of fight, man, get enough tears, enough sweat, you know, but you still I get the victory. Be confident in the victory of good over evil.
Me know I'm great, my born a winner. Amount of time them this me coulda squeeze a trigger. Just protect me on the street when me a look me dinner.
So Chapycal I make you know say born a winner, you know. Enough time them this man him coulda squeeze the trigger, but you know him go and wallet and just know say a victory my pre-fame and him family them and him kids them, is it?
Amount of time me feel me try again. Most wanted coulda be one of them. Work hard me never link with no banger friend.
Why if you laugh at the Trapycal, come like a me you do that song for whole night me I listen to the song. Yo, I love the message in the song. You see me I say, yeah man, some people will come around you and you up and you're down and gone. You see me? Yes. You see me I say, brother, just Trapycal. Go on do your thing, Papa. The song short and full of message. Very inspiring.
I want to find man get. Trap them set, them find me hard fear. Still I get the victory.
Trapycal, now watch the fight, you know, the fittest of the fittest shall survive. So just do your thing and keep entertaining the fans and do good music, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
I put in the work, me need my prize. You have to have the formula, forget it right. Only for struggle and pain and hungry nights.
Yes, Trapycal, let's go and put in the work here, man. You soon get the prize, man. Don't watch who not help, you know, or who not support, you know. Just go and do you see me? And big up who support you, see him way. You see it? But otherwise from that, viewers and subscribers, the artist have it. Me know that him can write and the song is well constructed and orchestrated. That's what I say. If you want to watch the rest of the full video without stop and talking and in a full view, go over and page, go give him the support. Saying Trapycal. Yeah man, I don't know. But I'll try to see if we can reach out from him to get an interview from him also. But we're going to end the vlog now, so please big up on yourself. Thanks for watching to the end, and remember to go check out my single Nah Stop Try. Trapycal, say Nah Stop Try. You see me? Yeah man.
Nah stop trying. Fly low, fly high. Nah stop trying until the day I die.
Yeah man, words of inspiration coming from I am Marek, you know.
Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Yo, Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Now Lion foot TV.
Lion Foot TV to the fullest.
Lion foot.
Best of the man self in a Lion Foot.
Lion foot.
Lion foot. Lion foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion foot to the world.
Lion foot TV.
Oh, Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Lion Foot TV.
Big up Lion foot TV.
Lion Foot.
Lion foot, you're so great. 'Cause you're blessed by the Most High.